Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a cartoon dachshund. Start by drawing two small ovals for the eyes. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also pause the video to draw at your own pace. Pay attention to the spacing between the ovals. Don't draw them too close together. When you get the shapes right, darken the lines. The eye on the left should be slightly smaller than the eye on the right because of the way the head will be tilted. Inside each eye, draw two tiny circles for highlights. And then just shade the eyes. Don't overlap the tiny highlight circles as you shade the eyes. Under the eye on the left, draw another oval for the nose. This oval should be similar in shape to the eyes, but it should be on its side. Inside the nose, draw a smaller, thinner oval for a highlight. And then shade the nose except for the highlight. To the left of the nose, draw a short curved line for the side of the head. This line should be similar to the letter C, but extend the bottom part farther to the right. When you get the shape right, darken the line. The bottom of the line should end far off to the right side. High above the eye on the right, make a small mark to indicate the top of the head. Pay attention to how high above the eye this mark is. Now connect the small mark to the side of the head using a long curved line. This line will be the front part of the head. The bottom part of this line should be very close to the eye on the left. Extend the top part of the head farther to the right. On the top right side of the head, draw a short curved line for the first part of the ear. And now draw a longer line that curves downward for the side of the ear. At the bottom, draw a thinner curved line for the tip of the ear. The bottom part of the ear should be similar in shape to a curved letter V. On the left side of the head, draw the other ear using a couple more curved lines. Draw a short curved line at the top for an ear fold, and then at the bottom draw a longer curved line for the rest of the ear. Below the head, draw a line that curves to the right for the front part of the body. Dachshunds are short, so don't draw the line too far down below the head. To the right of the front part of the body, draw the first front leg. The front leg is made up of two short vertical lines for the sides, and then a short horizontal line for the bottom. Keep this shape short, dachshunds don't have long legs. To the left, draw another short curved line for the other front leg. And now to the right of the first front leg, draw a long line for the underside of the body. This line should curve up on the right side. You can make this line even longer for a longer body. To the right of the body, draw the first hind leg. Start with a short curved line for the top part of the leg. And then below that, draw a line that curves to the right for the bottom part of the leg and foot. Add a short vertical line on the right side to complete the shape of the leg. From the hind leg, draw a long line that curves to the left toward the head for the top part of the body. This line should end near the bottom tip of the ear. Sketch lightly at first, and when you get the shape right, darken the line. Under the body and to the left of the hind leg, draw the other hind leg the same way. Use short vertical lines for the sides of the leg and then close off the shape at the bottom using a short horizontal line. On the top right side of the body, draw a thin triangular shape for the tail. And now go over the lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. After the ink dries, get rid of every pencil mark with an eraser for a cleaner drawing. And now color your drawing. You can color your dachshund however you'd like. For this look, use dark brown to draw a couple of small circles above the eyes for the coat pattern. Add a wavy line around the muzzle, the chest, the underside of the body, and the legs for more of the coat pattern. And then just color the top part of the coat pattern dark brown. And then just use light brown for the rest of the body. And that's it for the Cartoon Dachshund. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit howtodrawanimals.com where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. That's how, and then the number 2, and then drawanimals.com. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.